Coach, can you talk about Travis's improvement from the beginning of the season until now?
Huge improvement. He's playing with confidence. He's playing with a great deal of poise. The things that Dennis has brought to the offense really suit Travis, and he's it was tight competition coming into the game. I think we'll have to watch the tape. It looked like he may have separated himself a little bit in this game, but the competition is by no means over. It'll continue into the fall camp.
How good is it for Travis to have somebody like Adam Schultz pushing
Great.
him?
Competition, in my estimation, is always a healthy thing and makes everybody better.
Could you just talk a minute, Kyle, about your depth now at quarterback? You went through a few years where you never knew, and now you've got quite a number of guys.
We've got some good options, and we're really disappointed we didn't get to see Brandon Cox, after that really exceptional Friday scrimmage he had, because he actually outplayed all three quarterbacks in that scrimmage, but obviously had the foot injury and wasn't able to go anymore. But come fall, he's going to get a chance to continue to show what he can do. And then we've got our two quarterbacks that aren't here yet, Connor Manning and Micah Thomas, to add to that mix. So it's a good problem to have.
So well, at least if nobody gets hurt, you're not going to get in a situation you've been in.
Correct. We think we've built that position up to where it needs to be as far as talent and depth. And it is young though. That's the one thing about it. Two sophomores and three freshmen. So it is a young group, but very talented.
If there's a position group, Coach, that you think has made the most progress over this entire spring camp, which would you say it is?
O-line, without a doubt. The O-line has been a night and day when you compare to last year, and really it's the main reason. First of all, Dan Finn's doing a great job coaching them. They've worked their tail off in the offseason, getting bigger, stronger, more physical. But we've been able to maintain the continuity. We haven't had any O-linemen go down. Last year, I think we went 4 or 5 games in a row where we didn't have the same 5 starting offensive linemen. And so it was very, very positive for us to have the continuity and the numbers. We had 17 O-linemen in spring camp, healthy bodies, and I can't remember that ever being the case. So without a doubt, that's the position.
Coach, you talked about how